Hey guys, I'm your quick tech buddy, and in this video I'll tell you about virtual meeting etiquette. So let's start our video after this short break.
Virtual meeting etiquette. Sit within camera view.
So this means that whenever you are turning on your video, then make sure that you are in the camera view, not in the right side nor in the left side, in the center of the camera.
Use a headset with microphone for optimal audio quality.
So this means that you should always use a headset or even a earphone or earplug will work the same. Headset or earphone cancels the background noise and makes your voice audible, whereas without audio, your audio isn't audible and you will have issues while receiving the audio also.
Mute the microphone when not in use.
So whenever you don't have to speak, then mute your microphone because your voice will go in the meeting and it will disturb others also.
Use a wired internet connection when possible. Wireless can be unreliable.
So always try that you have wired internet connection when possible because wireless can be unreliable and wireless can also have some network issues. So you can be removed anytime from the meeting if your internet is not strong.
Refrain from multitasking while in a meeting.
So this means that whenever you are in a meeting, don't do other works because in meeting you need to be concentrated to the top.
Close email or any background applications if you are sharing your desktop.
So this means that whenever you are sharing your desktop, close your email or any background apps because if you will use email, then your credentials can be leaked. So these are the very important virtual meeting etiquettes. And if you have learned something new today, then don't forget to like this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can comment it in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.